So we have to pray before we go ahead for the part two, before the party go on now. So
yeah, what you tell me?
then we don't go name on the Anambra and try my no. Something like that. He is in the Anambra and go. So and I hear people now Endo you so now you are more than for fire. You put it out here. Now you want to get so now you need to go you work and I have one I have on so maybe we will go to Anambra. Now I have the toys in the voice. He was narrowing what apart was not opening. No, was them and they are told you. All the women they are told you. Oh, that animal wouldn't answer. I even no room to line. He was in a Macamuana. Open continuity and room in the market. Mojo when it will be several. So I go to Anambra. I told you Anambra. I am not here. That's an innocent of them. What is it? Yeah? I need to go before going off. So now. So Anambra Mando. Come with you going now. I ain't know it. I know it. You do go. So now, I don't know you did. I will buy a broken and I came outside. That's when I won't do is ever broken. So now, I bless Anambra, especially now one. When you're going to believe he's in his seven nation, I'm going to you here with that. Yeah? As he's in his seven, I'm going to go in order. As now, I'm going to travel when you go. When you're the girl, when you go now. Now, it's no longer one. So, on a year, never need no good now. So, most of my school I knew and I know first. Oh, I'm going to now. How can I do now? Make the drive. I'm off. Okay. So now, I have a one and no wine or something, and then you will get ordinary things. So, never number, and your number will go and receive. So, my young is sitting up here. For my time, I'm allowed here. Okay. No, 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 so, when we say, nobody here.
Enugu State, yeah.
Enugu State. Oh, microphone. Enugu State is not here. The one you in on here. Eh? I can argue when I audience for any joining Naka. People. So, saya apa nih boy? Karena ayah aku suka sih. Boy state, semuanya boy oke.
Facebook guy no read.
Aku namanya boy kayaknya boy oke. Enggak ayah apa senamba Nigeria, kamu. Aku yang kenapa Nigeria general. Aku pernah ayah sih ibu mana ayah berani ibu. Ayah apa senang nebo bordering state. If you are there here, then you can. A friend doesn't aside. I got a new soon and Anambra. Oh, you're missing. Nanda in the lodge. Now, what is it? You was fire when you do, or whether he or the idea. You know, I was an audience. I know the reason, no meaning. You cannot keep women like that. So she wanted to act as an afro. They will tell you my phone to Chifu no name.
Anambra Ekenemu AFS Makan Anambra family Makan Anambra family Kevin na ndị ọzọkwa si ebe dị iche iche were dị on the line today. I see you know in the nice presence in our midst. Thanks a lot for coming. Anambra family has now I told you watch it, you can come in and ask you. Yeah, be able to talk today. I don't want to and then come out for those people. Even the light will be about that. Last night I had a year, she looked over and he was ready. But last neighbor, people are now watching. Yeah, for the way if I remember why I didn't go to Poko, so if I was to say it out, women and a watching. About money, one of the logic, our it means them peace, organiru, cultural environment. When you can be a young junior give from Yagi progress, the second law. Ojia, well, so many things. You watching when so many things in this year. A brother, so all you bumbulo is just like every other fruit. When I come a special fruit. I will never make it to wow. You want our point to go to make journals and then you go to one taro with it. When I come on Jibo. Ndị Igbo ga-awụ ya. Ọjị a m ji n'aka n'afọ ndị Anambra, ana m asị ka anyị wụọ ọjị a n'ibe n'ibe tati ya na mbụ. Maka ndị anyị si na onye mkpata pụta na onye nite si na Owe steeti. Onye kwuru okwu si kpọọ ma ọgba nje kama ka mkpata ibe na nje. Anambra family na Switzerland argaw. I got go banje, makana I got ife na je. I got go saka, makana get stand ife na aka. Onye kwu na AFS ama no. Ya bụ ọchị am ji n'aka kịta bana. Ise. Kwa ma mgbe ọ na n'ụzọ. Amakọla akụkọ na anyị dị ebe dị etu a, efe dị etu a wee mee, ama abụọ portion. Anyị ga-abịa udo nakwa n'udo rie ṅụọ wee jiri obi ụmụnne dịka anyị si emekọrọ ife si nso ụwa na-arụga ọhịa wee na-agakwa n'iru wee na-ayọkwa ndị Anambra bikwara n'ogbe a ma ebe dịgasị iche iche na such organization na-eme exist na mgbe ọbụla eji mechaa kọrịta ihe a na-eme ha ga-eme iti onye isi maọbụ onye ode akwụkwọ maka retribution ka amakwa na ha ahụ ya
Because you cannot just carry color. Enugu. Somebody from Enugu.
Watching Igbo. Because the group watching Igbo not the Anambra Koranyo. Bebo Enugu, Bebo Igbo. Anambra side ya age. Na Jaha Koranyo. Bu kesi medi. Bukas okai buti ku mudaya. Bebe ku yekita. Otwa. Na Oji onye butala oji. Butala ndo. So now,
Swiss friends, when I was in the one of the Anambra,
the Delta will have to.
Cha Anambra, President. President.
So me personally, since I get elder person here, when also come from that kingdom, I don't get rights, I don't get power to talk about the cola. So I will definitely transfer the whole thing to Ram. Now you go be say, okay, continue, or you do the talk. But for me to do the talk, it's not.
I give you go ahead. You show you that pastor. I give you the power and the authority to carry on.
He said.
Audience, please. Somebody in the floor.
We do these things, you guys talking for preaching. Yeah. They do this thing very casually, but this thing have spiritual meaning. I don't feel bring cola where senior person day. That means eventually I dey call for my grave. So, and that's the tradition. That's the tradition. Whether God forbid or God like. But that is the tradition. No people say we dey Europe, say those things going to work, it dey work. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for giving me the privilege to represent. And this cola they have, cola signify life. Sent to flight and set to, and we say whatsoever, any sickness. When you know,
just want to correct that impression. Iriji in Igbo land means that we are thanking God for the gift of the festival of the year and praying that the next yield of the next year will be better than the one of this year. So we celebrate it. Most people might think, oh, it's not a Christian culture, but this is something we have been doing before the white men came to bring Christianity to Africa, to everywhere. So I just want to put this impression in your mind that we as Igbos, we as Africans, we had traditions before that we've been playing we've been doing before the white people came, and like suddenly they become confusion. So our Iriji is a tradition that we use in thanking God for the yield of the year, and then asking Him to give us a better yield for next year. And this is being done by especially Igbos worldwide, everywhere. You appreciate what you have and ask God to give you better things the next year. That's just the thing. So it's part of our culture, part of our tradition. We've been doing it for years, centuries before the white man could know where the city is to come and meet us where we're in Africa. Alana Ndi Tatabu Today is the day we are eating here. We are celebrating the joy of health, the joy of the fruits of the land, and the joy of everything. And I said that we are asking God to please help us that next year's yield, next year's joy, next year's good health will be better than this one. Please go ahead, it's okay. Are you finished?
My favorite food is
Wow. Bitter leaf, Lucy and bitter leaf. Okay, no problem.
Okay, so my favorite food is fufu and okra soup.
Wow.
And I like the snack, chinchin. It's called chinchin.
Yeah.
Chinchin, and my favorite drink is Nigerian Fanta.
First of all, I've been to Nigeria once in 2014. What I know, my favorite food is fufu with a bono soup, and I like puff puff.
And then we're happy to see that our kids come to Anambra. So one of them go already in Nigeria, both happy to go. And then we wish that all the family will take them coming to Nigeria to know where we are coming from. And that's very important to be happy. About tonight, how Nigeria is nice.
Igbo, Mamman, Anambra Quizman. Or the band, or the body, or the assassin. Magana never is not the lady. I'm going to make it from. Sorry, I have to talk to my Urugu language. For those of you that doesn't understand, I was someone else can still interpret. They don't really understand. Because when I was wearing, now go and you watch it. On who if a one in microphone. One day, in this way, she no, in a mist. How we find a man, Kalicha. So, you may G. In the person of Chief Michael Ezilo, aka Ibunayalo. Yoruba kwenu?
Yeah.
Hausa kwenu?
Yeah.
We are the same. So we are in the same culture. So I'm too shy. I'm too shy. But I will try my best. The level my father taught me before he left. Being on the chair, we call them on the chair. It has a Russia. How could that na Igbo? You see, we know. I come out one Igbo Uchi. Jesus. God bless how much on then you are you are covered.
I know to Anambra,